Have you ever caught yourself asking, where did my strength go? You used to lift groceries with ease, climb stairs without thinking twice, or stand from a chair in one smooth motion. But now, things feel a little slower, heavier, harder. It's not just getting older. What you're likely experiencing is something far more common and far more serious: age-related muscle loss. Starting as early as your 60s, your body begins to lose muscle mass year by year. By the time you reach 70, you could lose up to 30% of your total muscle, unless you take action. And while most people focus on exercise, there's another key factor that gets overlooked: what you eat. The right foods can help slow muscle loss, support strength, and even help rebuild what's been lost, naturally. No powders, no fancy supplements, just smart nutrition. In today's video, we'll reveal 10 powerful foods that every senior should consider adding to their diet, and one critical nutrient that over 90% of older adults are missing, but desperately need. Before we get started, we'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Drop your city or country in the comments. And if staying strong and independent after 60 matters to you, don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Wise. We're here for you every week. Let's get into the 10 foods that can help you stay strong and age on your own terms. 1. Greek yogurt, the creamy muscle rebuilder. Greek yogurt is one of the most senior-friendly superfoods you can add to your daily routine, especially if you're fighting muscle loss. What makes it so powerful? Protein. A single cup of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt delivers around 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, almost triple the amount found in regular yogurt. That means more building blocks for muscle maintenance and repair, exactly what aging bodies need more of. But it's not just protein. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, which supports strong bones and helps muscles contract properly. And it contains probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support digestion and nutrient absorption, making sure your body gets the most out of every bite. For seniors who prefer lighter meals or need easy options, Greek yogurt is an ideal choice. It's smooth, easy to digest, and doesn't require cooking. Try it for breakfast with berries and a sprinkle of oats, or enjoy it as a mid-afternoon snack with a few almonds on top for extra fuel. Just be sure to choose the plain, unsweetened varieties, as many flavored yogurts are packed with added sugar, which can cause inflammation and actually work against your goals. When it comes to muscle health, convenience doesn't have to mean compromise. Greek yogurt is fast, filling, and effective, a creamy way to support your strength every single day. 2. Eggs, the small but mighty muscle food. Eggs may be small, but they deliver a powerful nutritional punch, especially when it comes to supporting muscle health after 60. Each egg contains around 6 to 7 grams of complete protein, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and maintain muscle. This makes eggs one of the most efficient, affordable, and versatile sources of protein for older adults. But eggs offer much more than just protein. They're also rich in vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in muscle function and balance. Many seniors are deficient in vitamin D, especially those who spend less time outdoors, and that deficiency can contribute to weakness, fatigue, and even falls. You'll also find vitamin B12 and choline in eggs, both important for nerve function, muscle coordination, and brain health. These nutrients help you stay sharp and stable, which is just as important as staying strong. Best of all, eggs are easy to prepare and easy to digest. Scrambled, boiled, poached, or baked into a veggie frittata. They're quick to cook and go well with nearly any meal. If you've avoided eggs in the past due to cholesterol concerns, talk to your doctor. Recent research shows that moderate egg consumption is safe for most people and can be part of a heart-healthy, muscle-supporting diet. Sometimes the simplest foods are the most powerful. Eggs are a compact, nutrient-rich way to help your muscles and your body keep moving strong. 3. Chicken breast, the lean protein staple. Chicken breast has long been a go-to food for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, but it's just as valuable for seniors looking to maintain muscle strength. Boneless, skinless chicken breast is one of the leanest and most concentrated sources of high-quality protein. Just 3 ounces, about the size of a deck of cards, delivers around 25-30 grams of protein with very little saturated fat. That's exactly the kind of nutrient-dense support your muscles need, especially as your body becomes less efficient at building and maintaining muscle with age. But protein isn't all chicken breast brings to the table. It's also rich in B vitamins, particularly B6 and niacin, which help your body convert food into usable energy, a key process for muscle recovery and stamina. It also contains selenium, an antioxidant mineral that supports immune health and helps protect muscle tissue from inflammation-related damage. Chicken is incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. Grill it, bake it, dice it into soups, or shred it over a salad. It's a flexible protein source that works for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Plus, it pairs well with nearly every vegetable, whole grain, or legume. For seniors trying to reduce red meat or processed foods, chicken breast is an ideal replacement. Satisfying, nutritious, and easy on digestion. Sometimes consistency is key, and adding a simple lean protein like chicken to your meals can be one of the most reliable ways to support strength. One bite at a time. 4. Lentils, the plant-based powerhouse. Lentils may be small, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to muscle health, especially for seniors looking to add more plant-based protein to their diets. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils provides about 18 grams of protein, along with iron, magnesium, and fiber. These nutrients work together to support energy production, oxygen delivery to muscles, and healthy digestion, all critical for maintaining strength as you age. Lentils are also low in fat and high in complex carbs, making them a great source of steady energy without blood sugar spikes. And unlike some plant proteins, lentils are easy to cook and gentle on digestion. Toss them into soups, stews, or salads. Use them as a base for grain bowls or blend into spreads like lentil hummus. They're budget-friendly, shelf-stable, and incredibly versatile. For seniors who may be cutting back on meat, lentils are an easy way to keep your protein intake high, without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. 5. Salmon, the anti-inflammatory muscle protector. As we age, inflammation becomes a major enemy of muscle health, and salmon is one of the best natural defenses you can eat. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce chronic inflammation that can damage muscle tissue and slow recovery. It also provides high-quality protein, along with vitamin D and B12, which are essential for muscle strength, balance, and energy. 1 serving, about 3 to 4 ounces, gives your body a potent combination of nutrients that protect and rebuild muscle, especially when eaten a few times per week. Fresh or canned, salmon is easy to work into your meals. Try it grilled with vegetables, baked in foil with herbs, or flaked into salads and grain bowls. Canned wild salmon is also a convenient, affordable option. If joint pain or stiffness is slowing you down, adding more salmon to your plate may help ease discomfort and give your muscles the support they need to stay strong. 6. Tofu, the gentle plant protein. Tofu is a gentle, versatile source of plant-based protein, and it's especially helpful for seniors who may have trouble chewing or digesting heavier meats. Made from soybeans, tofu contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein, something not all plant foods can claim. It's also rich in calcium, iron, and magnesium, which support muscle contractions, bone strength, and energy production. Because tofu is soft and easy to prepare, it's ideal for older adults who prefer milder, easier-to-eat meals. You can pan-fry it, bake it, or stir it into soups, curries, and vegetable dishes. It takes on the flavor of whatever you cook it with, making it endlessly adaptable. If you're looking to cut back on meat or add variety to your protein sources, tofu offers a low-fat, high-nutrient alternative that's easy on your digestion, but still powerful for your muscles. 7. Cottage cheese, the overnight muscle repair. Cottage cheese is more than just a light snack. It's a slow-digesting protein powerhouse that works while you rest. It's rich in casein protein, which digests more slowly than other types of protein. This makes it an excellent choice before bed, giving your muscles a steady supply of amino acids to support repair and recovery overnight. A time when the body naturally rebuilds tissue. In just half a cup, cottage cheese offers about 13 grams of protein, plus calcium for bones, and B12 for nerve and muscle function. It's also low in fat and carbs, making it suitable for many dietary needs. Many seniors enjoy it with sliced fruit for a simple breakfast, or mix it with herbs for a savory snack. It's easy to chew, easy to digest, and easy to love. If you're serious about supporting your muscles, even while you sleep, cottage cheese is a nighttime nutrition win. 8. Almonds. The snack that builds strength. Most people think of almonds as just a healthy snack, but for seniors over 60, they're a whole lot more than that. Almonds are a muscle-supporting powerhouse, conveniently packed into a small, crunchy package. Each handful, about 1 ounce, contains 6 grams of plant-based protein, along with magnesium, vitamin E, and healthy fats. These nutrients help support muscle recovery, reduce inflammation, and keep energy levels steady throughout the day. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle contraction and relaxation, which is essential for everyday movement. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting muscle cells from stress and age-related damage. And the unsaturated fats in almonds promote heart health, helping to keep blood flowing freely to your muscles. Let me tell you about Frank, a 70-year-old retired carpenter from Ohio. He used to skip meals or just grab a donut with his coffee. But over time, he began to feel sluggish and noticed his arms were getting thinner. After chatting with his daughter, a nurse, he made one small change. Every afternoon, instead of cookies, he started having a handful of almonds with a banana or yogurt. Within weeks, he noticed he wasn't as tired in the afternoons, and his grip strength improved. "It's a small thing," he said, "but it keeps me going." Almonds are easy to incorporate. Eat them on their own, toss them into oatmeal, sprinkle them over salads, or try almond butter on whole grain toast. If you have trouble chewing, go for slivered almonds or blend them into smoothies. Simple choices lead to powerful changes. And when it comes to protecting your strength, almonds are a smart step in the right direction. 9. Quinoa, the grain that acts like a protein. At first glance, quinoa looks like just another whole grain, but don't be fooled. Quinoa behaves more like a high-quality protein than a typical carbohydrate, and that makes it a game changer for seniors looking to stay strong. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth. 1 cooked cup delivers about 8 grams of protein, along with fiber, iron, and magnesium, nutrients that support muscle function, energy levels, and recovery. What sets quinoa apart is how gentle and versatile it is. It's easy to digest, quick to cook, and can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. Mix it into salads, stir it into soups, or serve it warm as a side dish with vegetables and lean proteins like chicken or salmon. Quinoa also has a low glycemic index, meaning it won't spike your blood sugar, an important factor for older adults managing energy and inflammation. It provides sustained fuel, which helps muscles perform better throughout the day. It's especially helpful for seniors who are eating less meat or trying to increase plant-based protein. Even if you've never cooked quinoa before, it's as simple as boiling rice, and the nutty flavor pairs beautifully with almost anything. If you're looking for one grain to add to your weekly meal plan that feeds your muscles, not just your appetite, quinoa is a smart and satisfying choice. 10. Spinach, the muscle-supporting super green. Spinach isn't just good for your heart, it's also one of the most effective greens for supporting muscle health as you age. This leafy vegetable is packed with magnesium, iron, potassium, and vitamin K, nutrients that play a direct role in muscle contraction, oxygen delivery, and joint function. Low levels of these minerals can lead to cramps, fatigue, and slower recovery after activity. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help protect muscle cells from inflammation and oxidative stress, both common issues in older adults. You can enjoy spinach raw in salads, blended into smoothies, or cooked in soups, stir-fries, or omelets. Even a few servings a week can make a meaningful difference. If you're looking for an easy, low-calorie way to give your muscles more of what they need, spinach delivers in every bite. Creatine, the missing link. There's one nutrient that over 90% of seniors are lacking, and it may be quietly accelerating muscle loss. Creatine. Creatine is a natural compound your body uses to fuel short bursts of strength and movement. It's stored in your muscles and helps support energy during daily activities, like standing from a chair, walking upstairs, or lifting something heavy. As we age, our natural creatine stores decline, and unless you're eating large amounts of red meat or certain types of fish, it's hard to get enough through diet alone. Low creatine levels are linked to reduced muscle strength, slower recovery, and even increased fatigue in older adults. The good news? Creatine can be safely supplemented in small doses, usually around 3 to 5 grams per day. Many studies show that when combined with moderate activity and adequate protein, it can help maintain muscle mass, improve strength, and support daily mobility in seniors. Always check with your doctor before starting any supplement. But if you're doing everything right and still feeling weak, creatine might just be the missing link. Muscle loss after 60 isn't just about aging. It's about awareness, and now you have it. From protein-rich staples like chicken and Greek yogurt to powerful plant foods like lentils and spinach, each bite can move you closer to strength, energy, and independence. You don't need to change everything overnight. Just start with one new food, one small habit, one step. Which of these 10 foods are already in your kitchen? Which one will you try this week? Let us know in the comments, and tell us where you're watching from too. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Stay strong, stay active, stay wise. We'll see you in the next one.